So students, you know that carbon dioxide is required to carry out photosynthesis. It is one of the 4 conditions necessary to carry out the photosynthesis. In this video, we will do some activities to actually demonstrate the conditions required for photosynthesis. So let's begin. To demonstrate that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Firstly, you have to keep the potted plant in dark room for about 72 hours. Now we do this so that all the starch stored in the leaves is used up. Take a small quantity of potassium hydroxide solution in a wide mouthed bottle. This potassium hydroxide solution helps in absorbing the carbon dioxide available in its surrounding. Now, with the help of a split cork and a support, arrange the leaf just as shown in this figure and of a de-starched potted plant, the one which you kept in dark for 72 hours, in such a way that half of the leaf is inside the bottle. Now, on the margins, apply Vaseline, so that this jar is airtight. No more carbon dioxide can enter the jar. Now keep this setup in sunlight for about 6 hours so that the photosynthesis begin in all the leaves of this plant. Wait for a few hours. Then take out that leaf which was half dipped in the beaker. First, the leaf is boiled in water to kill its cells and it becomes soft. Then take out the leaf with the help of forceps. Now, take a test tube, put some alcohol in it and dip the leaf in the alcohol. You have to heat this test tube put in a water bath. You should never heat the alcohol directly. Now, you will notice that the leaf is decolorized because its chlorophyll got dissolved in alcohol. Now, put this leaf in a petri dish and add few drops of iodine solution. You will notice the change in the color. The iodine changes into blue-black only if starch is present. So this change in color is only in half of the leaf which was not inside the beaker. The portion which was inside the beaker, so no carbon dioxide was available, there was no change in color. So this activity shows that carbon dioxide is necessary to carry out photosynthesis. To demonstrate that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Destarch the potted plant by keeping it in dark room for 72 hours. During this time, all the stored starch is utilized by the plant. So there is no stored starch in the plant. Now, cover a portion of the leaf with the dark paper and use pins to put that paper. Now, put this plant in sunlight for about 6 hours so that photosynthesis begins. Now remove that leaf, remove the black paper and first put this leaf in boiling water for few minutes so that the cells are dead. Take out this leaf with the help of forceps and put it in a test tube containing alcohol. Heat this test tube in water bath for few minutes so that all the chlorophyll is dissolved in alcohol. Now again put this decolorized leaf in water and then in a petri dish. Add few drops of iodine solution to test the presence of starch. You will notice that there is change in color in the portion which was exposed to sun. But the portion of leaf which was covered with the black paper, there is no change in the color. That means starch is not present in that portion. So, this activity shows that light is necessary for photosynthesis. To demonstrate that oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis, take a beaker and fill 2/3 with water. Now cut some twigs of hydrilla underwater and place them in the funnel with cut ends arranged to the stem of the funnel, just as shown in this figure. Okay, you have to keep the hydrilla in the funnel and put inverted funnel in the beaker and a test tube over it. Now keep this arrangement in the sunlight for some time so that photosynthesis begins. Now then afterwards you will notice the bubbles arising, okay, from the hydrilla and collecting in the test tube. Now place the setup in the dark. The evolution of air bubbles from the cut end, it will stop. No more bubbles would be seen. Now lift the test tube and drop a burning matchstick in it, okay, just fast, and you will see that it begins to burn with a flame. So this is a test for oxygen gas, and this activity shows that oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis. The bubbles coming out of the hydrilla plant were actually the oxygen. That's all from this activity.
Now, subscribe to Bright Tutee course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Tutee app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Tutee courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Tutee follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutee and avail your courses at affordable prices.